Okay guys, if you want to see how I turn this thrift find into this beauty, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I am outside spray painting this gorgeous piece that I found at a local thrift store for, I think it was $10 or $15. This was last August when I spray painted this, but I'm just now getting around to putting it all together in my water closet in my master bathroom. I knew I wanted something in there that could, provide some storage and stuff like that. Because if you have a water closet, I mean, it's just a room with the toilet. There's hardly any storage, if any, in most cases. And so I don't have any. So I wanted something that was small enough to fit in there, but, again, have some storage drawers anyway. So I'm just spray painting this with some acrylic spray paint. I've removed the knobs. The knobs were perfect. They were the right color and everything for what I've got going on in there. And I'm just taking my time. And anytime you spray paint, you want to make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. I'm just outside my garage. Again, this was last fall when I spray painted this and everything. So, yeah. And I love how it turned out. It was super easy, super cheap, and it looks awesome in the space. And here it is. It looks gorgeous. I've just styled it with a piece of fabric over the top that sort of goes with these candle holders that I actually got from Ross. And I've got a little piece I got on clearance from Michael's, and a little bowl and Buddha fountain that I picked up. The bowl came from Hobby Lobby and the fountain came from Ross. And I just like how it looks. Again, the knobs worked perfectly. They were a sort of a bronze color, so it just works out really good in this space. I love how this looks. And I'm sorry, y'all, I had to sort of shoot it at an odd angle because the space is so small. I wanted you to kind of see the full effect. Didn't mean to make you dizzy. But I love how this looks. Really do. Here's a picture. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.